Hey y'all, it's Rose and I am back with another video, and I really want to tell y'all the truth about building business credit right now. So make sure you stay to the end. I'm going to give you guys a new business credit trade line that will for sure report to all 3 business credit bureaus, including Duns & Bradstreet, and it's only $20 a month. And I have a coupon code for y'all, so stay to the end. So it has come to my attention most recently, just based on helping some of my clients build their business credit, that there are a lot of changes that have happened. And I don't want to lie to y'all. I don't want to give y'all any BS. The business credit building process with using your net 30s is getting burnt up. Anytime everybody starts doing something, applying for things, there's a lot of approvals, and then people aren't paying back the money like they should when it comes to the credit that's been extended to them. It pretty much burns up the process, and they put in deeper security measures to ensure that they can avoid potential fraud. Because if people don't pay them their money back, essentially they're taking a loss. So most recently, I have learned a few things that I want to explain and let y'all know why you may not have a Duns & Bradstreet number, why you may not have been able to build your business credit score, even though you have added the business credit builders. So the truth about building business credit right now is a lot of the regular methods you could have used, they're getting burnt out. First and foremost, recently I contacted Uline myself and have been informed, from other people as well. Uline will only report after 6 months of purchasing on a regular basis. Before, when I started doing this 2-3 years ago with helping clients, you could add Uline and Nav, and within 30 to 45 days, you will have a business credit score on Duns & Bradstreet and Experian with a 80 Paydex or Experian 80 or higher. That is no longer the case. Uline alone requires you to purchase for 6 months before they will even report it to your business credit. So they're no longer doing it as soon as you sign up for the account. So Uline is dead unless you want to wait the 6 months. The second thing is another business credit builder that was popular and was reporting for sure and helping people build their business credit was Ohana. It was an office supply company. Sadly, Ohana is no longer taking any applications, so you cannot use their services anymore to go towards building your business credit. And then lastly, after talking with Duns & Bradstreet directly about how your Duns & Bradstreet score is generated, how you can see it, all that kind of great stuff, Duns & Bradstreet now requires 3 business trade lines to report in order for you to generate a score. And in some cases, you have to have 3 business trade lines for 90 days in order for you to generate a Duns & Bradstreet score. Now, if you are wondering how you can see your Duns & Bradstreet score, in some instances, I have seen people have issues with it even coming up on Nav. I am going to insert a video of me showing you guys how to go on the Duns & Bradstreet website and sign up for a free account so you can view your Duns & Bradstreet score. So I'm going to add that in for you guys here so that you can access that information and go check it. So the last thing, now I'm on the Duns & Bradstreet website because a lot of people have been issues with actually seeing that your trade line is posting. So you're going to go to the small business tab, and then you're going to go to check your business credit. That is going to allow you to check your business credit score directly with Duns & Bradstreet for free. So I suggest you guys do the free plan. With that, you get 4 scores and your ratings for 14 days. That's all you really need to check if your Duns & Bradstreet score is reporting there. Sometimes Nav can be delayed with showing the update that your business trade lines have posted and you have a score. They report immediately, but sometimes them updating the scores on their website can be delayed. So you can make a free account with Duns & Bradstreet, Experian Business, and Equifax, and you can check all your scores directly on their websites outside of just using Nav. And like I said, you do the free account.
Experian and Dun & Bradstreet are your main two for getting business funding. Those are the two you need to be worried about, and this is your alternative option for checking that score if you're not seeing it update on Nav.
But overall, there are a lot of business credit trade lines that are making you have their accounts longer because people are getting in just to build the business credit and then canceling, which causes them to lose money. Or the second thing is they're no longer taking applications. So right now, what I've currently been seeing to assist you with building that said business credit is by adding Nav Prime. Nav Prime is the #1 business credit builder I recommend for everyone, and I'm also partnered with them. So with Nav Prime, you're going to get one business trade line for Nav Prime, which is $49.99 a month. With that business trade line, that allows you to go in and see a full breakdown of your business credit scores. That trade line will report on a monthly basis. And then once you have your Nav Prime account, they also will allow you to see other funding options that they have available that you can get approved with based on your business or personal credit. And they actually do have a lot of good companies that give you reasonable rates. The second thing with Nav is they also have the Nav Prime Business Credit Builder Card. So when you sign up for Nav Prime, that's $49.99 a month. To add on the builder card, it is no additional charge for you to add that card. So you're literally just going to go into your Nav Prime account. You're going to click the menu button and it's going to say Nav Prime Card. If you are on the app, if you're on the main screen, that option will be right on the main screen for you. And you can select that to go ahead and sign up for the Nav Prime card. You should not have any issues as long as the business information that you are inserting matches everything else that is on your legal documents for your LLC. So you want to make sure that you're using the exact name that's on your LLC documents. Secondly, another thing I noticed on my own is that you want to make sure you're using the original address that you put on your LLC documents as well. Because I noticed that for my business, it's not my current address, it was my previous office address. So making sure that your LLC name is correct, the address, the phone number, making sure that all your fields are filled out in that profile section. And then at the very bottom, it tells you if your business has been discovered on Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax. If you have not been discovered on all three, you need to search your business, put in your exact information, whatever previous addresses you may have used, and then you will from there be able to go ahead and make sure that you have everything you need to generate that business credit score. So with Nav Prime, they are giving you 2 business trade lines for the price of one at $49.99 a month. I'm going to link that in the description, and I'll put the link above for y'all to sign up. So if you are opening a brand new Nav account, you can get 50% off with using the discount code, and I'll insert that on the screen now, 1 month 50. You get 50% off of your first month with Nav Prime if this is your first time signing up only. So you guys make sure you sign up for Nav Prime. I'm actually going to insert a video here for you guys now so that you can see how to properly set up your Nav Prime profile to make sure everything is correct.
I am on Nav Prime. This is the main page of the website. Basically, I was just trying to show y'all and let y'all know about the different options like the Nav Prime card. You should go ahead and sign up for it. I'm going to show you guys in a moment how you can go to the page to add it on. So looking at this main screen here to the right where I'm highlighting, that is going to be your business credit scores. Your Experian and your Dun & Bradstreet are the main two that's important. You need to have an 80 or above. If you have the free version, it would be the letter B. So with the Nav Prime Business Booster, which is like $50 a month, that is what you pay for to get the business trade line. Now, if you go ahead and add the Nav Prime card, you can get a second business trade line on your business credit that will report within about 30 days. Now I'm over here showing you how to go to the Nav Prime card. In the menu, you're going to go down to where it says Prime Benefits. When you click on that tab, it'll open up and show you all of the different benefits for the Nav Prime card. So waiting on myself to bring that tab up. Okay, now I'm clicking on the Nav Prime benefits. So these are all the benefits of having the card. So if you want to go ahead and sign up, you basically just click the Access Now button. When you click Access Now, it's going to allow you to put in your basic business info. You will get a physical card as well as a virtual card so that you can use it at any time. This is going to be a business charge card. It's no minimal anything required. It's no additional fee if you already have the Nav Prime Business Booster. You pretty much just need to sign up. And then they also offered the Nav Business checking accounts as well now. So basically, I'm showing you at the bottom, you can click on the menu button, go to profile so that you can pull up your business profile. This is the important part. This is what has been causing people to not have their business trade lines popping up, or it hasn't reported, or they couldn't find your business. So I'm finna show you guys right now how you can pull everything up to make sure your business has all the correct information in. So first and foremost, you want to make sure that your business name and address is the exact information that is on your corporate documents, meaning your LLC documents, exactly how your business is spelled, as well as the address. Now, when it comes to the address, if you ever need to change that, you must change it with your Secretary of State, because you need to change your business name directly with them. You can change the address, and you have to go on that website to make those changes before you change the address on your Nav account. So I want to make sure that you guys are doing that. That could be a reason that your business is not being found when you're adding your business trade lines, because all your information does not match. So I'm going to show you guys how you can go on your state Secretary of State website. Basically, just type in Google Secretary of State website. You're going to log into your account, and then from there, you can change your business address. If you guys need an additional resource because you don't want to use your home address for your LLC when you're setting it up, I have a partnership with Alliant. It is a virtual address where you can set things up to have a virtual address. You pay for it monthly. So depending on the plan you get, basically you get a business address. You can also receive mail there. If you want to use their conference rooms or things like that, you can use that as an option as well. But that's going to be the best thing for people who want to change their business address from their home, or if you want to go ahead and set up your LLC and use a virtual address so they don't have your personal home address on file. The last thing is you want to make sure your phone number, everything is correct. When you're going to the average monthly revenue, that is roughly an average on how much your business is making per month. If you just started as a business, you can give your projected income based on your business plan, market research that you've done for businesses that are in your industry. So what you project your income to be if you don't already have a revenue coming in because you just started the business. So I will put a good projection in. You know, all of these things are going to assist you with getting funding on NAV. They also do give you different business funding options as well based on the information that you input. So all of that is important.
I have a new good business trade line that will report to all 3 business credit bureaus, including your Duns and Bradstreet, to make sure you generate those business credit scores so that you can get your business credit card approvals. And the name of it is going to be ecredible.com. Now, I just want to start out by saying, please make sure you use the link in the description because they have a personal and business side. I don't want you to get confused and sign up for the wrong thing. So I will put the link in the description to getting their business trade line below, and I'll always link it above for you as well. So just to inform y'all about eCredible, they are a business credit reporting agency subscription where you can report your utilities to help you with establishing and building business credit. Now, I've already told you guys before, You get 2 business credit trade lines with Nav Prime on your business credit. You need a total of 3 to make sure you generate that business credit score so you can get your approvals you need. So you get Nav Prime, and then you get the Nav Prime Builder Card, which I will link for you guys in the description as well. If you sign up using the code 1month50 for Nav Prime, you will get 50% off your first month. It's $49.99 a month. Make sure you use my link so that you'll be sure to get that discount. So you have 2 business trade lines from Nav. Now we're going to roll it in with eCredible. And the way that they work is, I'm looking at my phone for my notes, so give me a moment. You can link up to 8 eligible utility accounts: power, water, gas, waste, certain phone bills, cable, satellite TV, internet, even landlines if you still got one. eCredible securely downloads your account information and up to 24 months of payments directly from your online account on the utility company website. So you're literally using your utilities that you pay on a monthly basis to build your business credit, and they can backdate your business credit history up to 24 months. So not only are you getting a business credit trade line, you're also allowing yourself to backdate and get business credit history to further your history on your business credit, whether you've just started reporting it or not. So that's a gem within itself. Make sure you guys sign up for eCredible business trade line, linked in the description, so you make sure you click the right one. If you get the Business Lift account, that will report any utility, like I said, lights, water, gas, cable, landlines, some phone bills. So let's say you have multiple utility bills that you have been paying on time with no missed late payments, whatever. Instead of you just getting one for your light bill, if you have lights, water, and gas, you can essentially add 3 business trade lines for just $19.99 a month. If you have phone and you have a phone service that they accept, if you have internet, cable. So you can actually report multiple business trade lines just from this one company, which is going to allow you to further build up your business credit to make sure that you are generating those business credit scores. So make sure you guys sign up for eCredible. I have a discount code for y'all as well. It is G as in George, C as in cat, B as in boy, 25, so that you can get 25% off your sign up for eCredible today. BBC 25 is going to give you 25% off eCredible Business Lift account. You only need to do the $19.99 version so you can report your utilities. You don't have to do the plus. So Nav Prime, 50% off using the code 1month50. I'll put that on the screen. That gives you 2 business trade lines. You're going to get Nav Prime for $49.99 a month, and then at no additional charge, you will be able to get the Nav Prime Business Builder Card as well. Then you backdoor, add on eCredible, start reporting as many utilities as you can so that you can get those multiple trade lines to ensure that you build your business credit score, because you need at least 3 to generate a score. And as long as you have those for at least 90 days, you should have no problem getting an 80 Paydex and an 80 Experian. And then you move on to apply for your Sam's Club, Amazon, or Costco business credit card. I'll link the video above on how you can apply for that. Yeah, and that's it. So of course, I'm always going to be a source to let y'all know the latest information on how to build your business credit, get business funding, and take your personal credit to the next level. So if you would like to book a one-on-one consultation with me so I can help you make that dream a reality, just feel free to book your consultation above, and I'll see y'all next time. Thank you again for hanging with me here at Rose Credit Repair. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment below if you have any credit questions. I'm going to be answering them myself in the comments. So you know what to do. Until next time.